everyone. Happy Tuesday. We're looking at our windows and more tower cam. A beautiful sunrise for us this morning. We are going to start to see this cloud cover increase going into our afternoon, but these winds are picking up this morning. Temperatures ranging from the single digits all the way to the double digits for us. Around 21 in Joplin, 18 in Monette, and then also off to our south, 21 in Grove. From now, first alert Doppler showing to our south, still monitoring that extreme cold warning to our south. Those are set to expire around 10 a.m. this morning, but feeling like the negatives still for some of the 4 states. It's been taking a little bit of time for us to warm up in the mornings. At least, though, we're not breaking record lows like we did yesterday. It was freezing. And to show how freezing it was over the past 24 hours where we were yesterday, we are seeing pickups near 30 degrees. So we are 30 degrees warmer in some areas than we were yesterday. No surprise for Springfield, because yesterday Springfield had a wind chill of negative 22 degrees. So those pickups, it's, not showing too much. It's showing that we are picking up, but we are still very cold outside. So don't let those temperatures fool you. A cold front is setting the way to make its way through the 4 states today. As it does this afternoon, following it, we're going to see those winds calm down. Ahead of it, though, we are seeing some of those breezy conditions as that pressure gradient is being tightened. We are sandwiched in between some surface pressure to our south and then to our north. We're looking at some of that low pressure. But carrying through our afternoon, that'll move in, and then we'll be left with some drier conditions. This will be a weak but dry front. Some high pressure will make its way through. Going into tomorrow morning, emphasizing a lot of the drier conditions, but we are still going to be bitterly cold outside. Then going into, I'd say, Thursday and Friday. So we're going to see some calmer conditions going into tomorrow and then also Thursday ahead of a trough that is going to come in. Now this trough is going to bring some bitterly cold temperatures as we get into Friday evening. We could possibly see some more record-breaking lows. But speaking of lows and highs, next several days we are going to be quite below that seasonable average, around 35 for us tomorrow. Tomorrow should be the warmest day of our week. But good news, going into next week, we should start to reach back up into the 40s across the 4 states, and that should bring us closer to average for this time of year. But breaking records, yes, yesterday we did break some records. Negative 8 degrees is our new record, at least yesterday wise. Now today we shouldn't break any records, but I'm keeping an eye out for Friday because I think we might break some more going towards the end of our week. High for today around 32 in Joplin, 34 in Grove, and then also 32 in Stockton. So some areas on the lucky side, making it just above freezing for today. But cooling down into this evening, we are going to drop into the single digits and double digits with some teens on the board. Around 6 degrees in Nevada, 12 in Bentonville, and also 10 in Grove. Now here's a look at your KSN forecast from your local weather authority. We are going to see a high today of around